What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new 2023 M2 powered Mac Mini. Also, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the specs of this machine. So this machine comes with an 8-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, 8GB of unified memory, along with 256GB of SSD-based storage. And like we've seen with newer Mac models, there is no plastic shrink wrap. Instead, there is a pull tab on the top and bottom of the box. And pulling these and lifting the lid reveals the Mac Mini sat atop, and placing this to a side, we get our first look at what comes included. And the first thing included is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, which gives us a general overview on the ports on the back of the Mac Mini, along with pointing out the dock and the menu bar amongst other things in the operating system. This is then followed up by information on our 1-year Apple limited warranty in both English and French, along with health and safety information and regulatory details. The last item included is a rather large colour matched Apple sticker. The only other item that comes included with this Mac Mini is a figure of 8 power cable. Now this power cable has an approximate length of around 1.5 meters, and as this Mac Mini has an internal power supply, there is no inline power brick needed. It's not a braided cable like we see with the studio display, but it is more flatter than what we've seen with other cables, which would certainly help not getting tangled with other cables. And then we have the Mac Mini itself. Now it's worth noting that there is some plastic stickers around the sides of this Mac Mini, and pulling these off the Mac Mini, we then get a look at our ports. We have the power switch, the power port, the Ethernet port, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, a HDMI port, dual USB-A ports, along with a 3.5mm headphone port. Also, it's worth noting that if you purchase a Mac Mini with the M2 Pro, that you'll get 4 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. So that has been it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. If there is anything that you would like to see tested on this Mac, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. As I mentioned earlier, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then it would be nice to have you join us on this journey, clicking the bell icon to be notified when a new video goes live. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.